Hello, dear friends. This is Anirudh Saut. Now I will continue the topic, and today I am going to discuss about that committees of the Constitution Assembly. Okay, as we are just continuing our topic, the making of the Indian Constitution, and today's my fourth class is committees of the Constitution Assembly. Okay, so let's talk about that. What were the committees formed during the preparation of the constitution and who were the president at that period of time. Okay, the first committee is, as you can see here, one is steering committee. Okay, steering committee, one of the most important committee, whose president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first president of India after that. Okay, next, if you talk about that, another committee, that one is known as Union Power Committee. Okay, वीडियो थोड़ा इधर उधर होगा क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है जाकि ताकि मैं फिक्स करके इसको वीडियो बना पाऊँ. सो थोड़ा सा कोऑपरेटिव करेंगे. सो यूनियन पावर कमेटी, दिस वन इज यूनियन पावर कमेटी एंड इट इज हेडेड बाय पंडित जवाहरलाल Nehru. And another committee, if you talk about that, that one is known as Union Constitution Committee. Union Constitution Committee, this one is also headed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, these are most important committees here, and the most important committees that is known as drafting committee. Okay, drafting committee, and you know that drafting committee was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also known as father of the constitution. He was the head of 7 crew member of the drafting committee. Okay, so there are 7 members in drafting committees, and the head of the drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Next, if you talk about that provincial power committee, Dr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel provincial power committee में वो headed थे. Okay, so steering committee Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Union Power Committee Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Union Constitution Committee Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Drafting Committee and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Provincial Power Committee Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You have to remember. If I talk about another committees of the Constitutional Assembly, that one is State Committee for negotiating with states, different states. If you negotiate with other states, the committee was known as State Committee, and it is headed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. If you talk about Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, okay, Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, so you can say that it was headed by J.B. Kripalani. Minority Subcommittees, and it was headed by H.C. Mukherjee, that committee who deliberated for minorities. Okay, Rules of Procedure Committee, very one of the most important committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the head of this committee. And if we talk about advisory committee of fundamental rights, minority and tribal and excluded areas, so you can say that Sardar Patel was the head of this committee. So this is the fact that I have discussed today. Thank you.